In efforts to make this sound like an episode of Beyond Belief, have you ever made a grocery list? Hello. Do you guys have like meat thermometers?
Yes, in the second line, sir. I just have to guard it
Yeah, no problem.
in the next one.
This one?
The next one.
Okay, all right, thank you. You want to talk about an actual difference maker? These little bastards. These things are the best. The noise canceling on them are fantastic. Man, if you gotta go to a store and you don't want to hear all the noise of everyone, this is the way to do it. Let me tell you. Yeah, could I just get a box of the 22s? The Remingtons would be fine. Yes. Okay, guys, straight up. I didn't know you could buy sleeveless shirts. I thought somebody was just stealing everyone's sleeves. Nope. Oh shit, there's one left. You ever get all your groceries and then totally forget to grab your card? Yeah. Yeah, got just about everything I was looking for except the cleaning supplies. So that nailed it. On to the next quest. Don't worry, the whole intro will make a little bit of sense in a little bit. I'm gonna break down. I wanted to talk to you guys about something, so be back. Oh well, I hope this isn't gonna be too windy. Got a new hat there though. Just went down to the lake real quick and try and grab a time lapse to throw into the video. You guys let me know how it turns out. Oh, fancy seeing y'all here. You guys come here often? Just kidding. This is my it's actually where I grew up. This is my childhood home. I'm over at my parents' house, gonna spend a little bit of time with them. I just wanted to recap the entire video, touch on why I asked you if you've ever made a shopping list. My main reason for asking you that is I wanted to tie it into this. I wanted to share some info with you guys I'm not sure if you know about, but write down your goals. This right here is my goal book. This is what I write all my goals down in. I was reading earlier from Inc.com. You're 42% more likely to obtain your goals if they're written down. And the reasoning behind that is it's no longer an idea once you write it down on paper. It becomes a physical, tangible thing that you're able to grab and look at. It brings that idea into reality. I asked you if you ever made a shopping list is how many times have you went to the store and wanted to get an item, but you totally forgot to grab that item? Never happens when you have a shopping list. You're able to reflect on what you want and have that accountability and track what you're looking for. I got a couple goals in here that I'll share with you. My number one reoccurring goal year on year, I make a 3-month, 6-month, and a yearly goals. My number one every year for the last 4 or 5 years now is to be more kind. I want to be a better person. That's why you'll see me smiling a lot. That's why you'll see me trying to interact with people and genuinely trying to help people, because that's what I'm looking to do. I want to affect more people in a positive manner than I have previously in life. Number two right now is become a better filmmaker. That's why you guys are here with me right now, watching me try to learn some skill sets. Number three would be to love more. Appreciate every little moment, because you don't know if it's going to be your last moment. You hear the same thing all the time, but it happens every day. People walk out the door and that's their last day and they don't know. So especially now, you guys, we're getting the time with family that we've never had before this. So yeah, enjoy every minute you get. It'll be over before we know it. Talk to you guys later. By the way, I wanted to show you guys this real quick. Throw that in there. My dad made this by himself with no plans or anything out of some pallets. By the way, I haven't talked about this thing yet, but man, do I love it. This Peak Design travel tripod. This is my first real tripod, I'd say. I had a couple like cheapo $60 ones, something like that. The difference is night and day, and look how compact it is. If it looks like I don't know what I'm talking about, it's because I wanted these vlogs to have a little more off the top of the head feel. I'm not gonna be scripting anything. I don't plan on doing that. That's not what I want for this. I really just want it to flow and develop that skill set. So if it sounds like I'm saying a lot of uhs and I'm trying to figure out what to say, it's because I am. Have you ever made a vlog?
Have you ever walked out of a mall into a huge parking area and realized you'd forgotten where you parked your car?
Ever gone mountain biking? Have you called a plumber to your home lately?
Would you display this as a trophy?
Have you had your hearing tested lately?
Have you noticed what big stars real estate agents have become? Have you ever visited a flea market?
Ever visited a Chinatown section in a major city?
Have you ever had the desire to write your initials in wet cement? Have you ever visited a truck stop?
It never hurts. Gotta unbutton one, let them know what we're about. We're in Florida here. Gotta get that Miami look going. There we go.